Get it.
Go on the facial expression.
It's kind of a pain in the ass.
You can do it. Too bad you couldn't find 2 funnels. Then you could have a race.
Well, see, it's got a short neck, so it won't sit down in there. Wait. Because you can't bend your neck far enough? You know? You try it.
Okay, Maddie, go. Probably the biggest thing you'll ever have in your pants.
Oh yeah, you know it. Why did I know? Why did I know that was gonna happen? That was a good one, dude.
Not too shabby.
I had no idea that was coming.
Yeah, did I? That was a pretty good one.
That's what we do at the fire station when we get bored.
At almost 4 o'clock in the morning.